Most people doing Google AdSense arbitrage are losing money without even realizing. And the worst part is it's usually one simple mistake that a lot of people are repeating over these years. You can be getting millions of page views and still make almost no money on that your Google AdSense account because the traffic quality matters more than the traffic quantity. So I need you guys to pay attention in this video because in this video I'm going to be explaining to you guys how to increase your RPM without increasing the traffic on your site, because the normal myth out there is you guys feel like you need to increase the number of page views on your site before you can see reasonable amount of money on your AdSense account, which is lie. Okay, so pay attention to this video if you really want to understand how to increase your AdSense RPM. First of all, looking at the AdSense dashboard on the screen, you can see what we have done so far on this Google AdSense dashboard. And from this AdSense dashboard, you can see that the balance over here is reaching like $10,000 on this account, which was what we made so far from last month. And you can see this month so far was on the account. This is roughly like 2000, this is $2,600 on this account. And you can see today so far what we generated roughly $600 on this account. And if you come over to the performance over here, you can see that the RPM on this page is very high. And pay attention because I said in this video, I will explain the reasons why your RPM consistently stay low if you're working with arbitrage method. First of all, many of you buy cheap traffic. Many of you buy a lot of cheap traffic thinking you're going to pull over money from it. It's very bad. Cheap traffic is not always profitable traffic. If visitor leave your page after 3 seconds, advertisers pay less and your account even becomes risky because it's showing that the traffic coming in there is not a sustainable traffic. And second key point you guys need to notice is that if your page refreshes slow, that's a very big problem. You need a slow page already kills the arbitrage profit because users leaves before ads even load. So you need to make sure that your page reloads fast, very fast. You need to increase the speed of your page reload. And secondly, the longer users stay on your site, the more ads they will see and the more valuable your traffic becomes. Do you understand? If you pay attention in making the content on your site very, very informative, it can keep a lot of users on that your site for a longer. And the longer they stay on that your site, the more reasonable ads will pop up on that site and the more potentials they have on clicking on those ads, which can bring you more revenue and bring more money on your account. And the last key point you guys need to notice, many of you don't place your ad properly. You need to place your ad properly. Many of you just put too many ads, and that too many ads can actually reduce earnings because users leave faster. When they're on the page, they're seeing a lot of adverts on the page, they're seeing nowhere to actually stay comfortably to read something. They just leave that page. And now you don't want users to be leaving your page. You want to bring people to your page and they stay long on that your page without leaving, which can bring in the option of them clicking on any of the ads there, which can pull in your revenue. So from the dashboard, you can see here, you can see that the traffic coming in on this site is fully arbitrage traffic. Everything that is generated on this dashboard, you can see over here, is fully arbitrage traffic. And you can see how safely everything is going. You can see how safely we're pushing it, and you can see how the RPM is also high. If you're interested in learning how I do this arbitrage traffic, how I send a lot of traffic like this comfortably on my account without having any issues, you can check in the link in the description box below. I'll keep giving you guys updates on what's working on arbitrage traffic this 2026. Stay tuned and subscribe to this channel for more content like this. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay safe.